fried chicken. Ingredients: 1/2 of chicken, 2 parts or 1 1/2 pounds, 1 onion diced, 1/2 of a pepper, Scotch bonnet or chili, 1 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Put in a container or a plastic bag. 2 cups of flour or wheat flour. Fried nice chicken to instructions. 1. Combine the ingredients with the chicken parts into a bowl. Add just the onions, the pepper and the salt. Then cover with a lid and allow to marinate for 30 minutes. 2. Put into a container or plastic bag 2 cups of flour with a pinch of baking powder and salt. 3. Flour the seasoned chicken parts by putting them into some flour and shake well. 4. Put to flame a frying pot, then add 2 cups of coconut oil. Put the stove on high. 8. 5. Now after 3 minutes add the floured chicken parts. 1 chicken part at a time. Note, the chicken parts should have a 1/4 inch space around it when it's frying in the oil. 6. Allow to fry on one side for 8 minutes usually. Then flip the chicken to the other side for 6 minutes. Flip again for 2 minutes on each side. Use a knife and cut the chicken to ensure completeness. Time in total should be 16 minutes.
Today we're gonna do French fried chicken. Now, this is gonna be different and special. To half of a chicken, you just cut it up in pieces. We're gonna use 1.5 onion. If you're using half of the half, use 1 onion and a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper or chili pepper. No powder, just natural spices, natural herbs. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt to quarter of a chicken. 1 teaspoon. It's just about a teaspoon. Now you just work the seasoning. If your hand is clean, you can use your hand and work it, but that's it. And you just cover this and let it marinate for about 30 minutes all by itself. Now put 1 cup of flour in a bag. Use enough flour for the amount of chicken that you're using. Add a pinch of baking powder. Just a pinch. Put to heat a frying pan, or Jamaican style dutchie, and add 2 cups of coconut oil. Or 1.5 cups, just enough to make a fry. Now once the chicken is marinated, you just remove the seasoning. Make sure the seasoning is off, and put it in the flour. Make sure the seasoning is off and put it in the flour. Just like that. Now after 5 minutes, or once it starts to smoke, put the chicken in carefully. Now after 8 minutes, turn the chicken. After 8 minutes on one side. After 5 minutes on this side, rotate it again. What is ready? The small pieces, you can take them out at the wing. At this point, you want to just rotate it ever so often, just to make sure it's fried. And to check it, you just cut it up. And really, it all depends on how dry you like it, because they're ready. That's it. Fried chicken. The chicken leg. And a wing. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. French fried chicken.